Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn a kid's account back into a normal Netflix profile. A kid's profile back into a normal profile. So let me first explain to you that there are two kinds of kids profile on Netflix. First, there's the default profile, which you cannot change because Netflix has already always assigned one profile in every account to be kids, just for your kids' safety. And then there's the other kids account, which is one that you probably accidentally changed or modified by yourself. And now you're wondering, how can I ever bring it back to a non-kids account? Well, you can't change it from the kids account itself, so you need to go to an adult account or an account that isn't a kids account. So let's click on an adult account here, and then click on the profile picture, click on manage profiles down here, up here, then click on the profile that you want to change the settings of. Click on edit on maturity settings, and now it's going to ask you to write down your password. I'm just going to write down my password here, no sweat. And then uncheck the kids profile down here and just change it immediately to 18 plus or 16 or whatever, just so, like, you know, not make it a kids account anymore. And then after that, just click on save. And as you can see, the viewing restrictions have been saved. If we go back to the account and click, it's no longer kids. There's no longer the kids label on your account. But if you go back here, you might see that lots of the shows are still kids, and see Netflix has an error because like it's confused. Wait, this is a kids account a profile now, and it's still showing kids shows. But don't worry, if you just scroll down a bit more, you'll see that many of the shows that it's suggesting are no longer for kids. That means this account is no longer a kids account and are now showing shows that's not for kids. So the only thing you can do now is just watch stuff that's not for kids. You can just search up or whatever, and your recommendations or just the suggestions that Netflix will be giving to you will be changed as well. But that is how you change an account from a profile from kids to a non-kids profile. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!